During our inspection of the property, we observed clear wind-related damage to the vinyl siding caused by the storm that occurred on February 17, 2025. Several siding panels have been lifted and displaced by the force of the wind, resulting in visible gaps and unsecured sections across the elevation. These panels are no longer fastened in accordance with standard installation practices and remain exposed to continued wind stress. The current condition poses an ongoing risk, as additional wind activity could easily lead to full detachment of the affected panels. This increases the likelihood of progressive damage to the exterior of the structure. The siding system, as it stands, has lost its ability to perform as a continuous protective barrier. To prevent further compromise and ensure proper enclosure of the building envelope, a full evaluation and replacement of the impacted sections is necessary.